Hello. I started. I filmed this video in June because I know I won't be probably able to try. I'll probably try the video on 4th of July, just in case if I can't. Best with family. Oh, whoops, sorry, my hand was on the microphone. Spending with family and all that. Um, yeah, I'll try to release this on July 4th. As you can see, we got a fireworks show on here. So we're doing this stuff on fireworks play. I don't know. Probably that. Or play it's PWF. That's what I remember what it was called. Anyways. I do this. Also I have a triple jump. Yep, triple jump. Oh, too far. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see this about this dark. So I will do that. There you go, you probably can see some of it at least. Anyways, here we go. Try the show. Ready. Is that all of it? I think it is. That was all of it. Pretty, am I right? Yep, that was all. Guys, I'm gonna see what else there is here. Do that. Where is it? Oh, it was not lit. I forgot about this one. What was this? Yeah, that's beautiful. I wonder. 1 second. Hold up. Sorry, I have to. Oh yeah, for real this time. Boop. Um. How am I gonna do this? Wait. Huh. Okay then. There we go. Hmm. I'm videoing. Good no you didn't. I mean the rename YouTube. Okay. What am I doing? So here, then I'll go normal. Yeah, normal. Dude. Here we go. Forgetting one thing. Special. Where is it? There it is. Here we go. I don't know what this would do. Okay. Okay, that was pretty nice. Whenever I can do that same thing about strobes. Go here. Let's see. Try some of these out. July. What does this do? Ooh. Nice. I hate ads. What was it going to do? I completely forgot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy cow. Okay, that sounds better. YouTube site. I was gonna say gosh, but it didn't sound right, okay? I said gosh, not anything else. Got it. Got it good. Okay then. Crunch balls. Oh, that's what those are. I kind of wanted this to be a short video. I guess not. Let's go to shells. Or, yeah. What do you want? I want to see something kind of funny. 1 second. Let's take that to random. So let's do 2. Let's actually go scope 1 second. Be sure what's on. Range distance. There. 5. That sounded good. Boop. Ha 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 ha. Can I push it over? I cannot. Okay. I've been playing this game for a while. It's just been funny. I guess it's kind of funny. I don't know, because it's funny to me, maybe. So this is a magic tube. Makes whatever is big to really small. Guess it did not work with this one. Too big, I guess. Anyways. Oh. Guess it works with the short ones. Pretty. Let's do that again. It did not work how I wanted it to. Some shelf, right? You're right. Let's do this one instead. Random, that. With 11 shots. 20 actually. False time. There we go. Go size of 4. That's all I'm sure. I thought this would be smaller. Let's see what. Oh. Oh, I can't delete it. Let's do that again, folks. Press shot. Yay. Let's go 10. Let's size of 10. Nope. What small? Like really small. Like too small. Let's go, yeah, 5 shots, sure. I mean, random, full string 1. There we go. Oh. Okay then. Oh. That's what I wanted to show you, but that was short-lived. Oh well. Sometimes they go flying into the air. My favorite. This is literally my favorite firework in the world. 12. Let's make this big. There we go. What was I gonna? Oh, yeah. I haven't looked at everything in special, but you know, it's got. I think I actually did. I don't remember. Anyways, props, traffic cone. Oh, I know what this is. I guess I have to try this out another time. Looks like I can't remove it, so that's gonna be the way. Ooh, speakers. Anyways, back to what I was doing. Pop. Yay. Pop out for a while because it's gonna be pretty high in there, so yeah, far distance is good. I actually haven't tried out every firework in the game yet, so I'm gonna do that for a video sometime. I guess like next time. There we go. Just kidding, I was doing that. It's like a waterfall. I love those fireworks. So beautiful. And we try the kickstand now. What was it called? Yeah, that's what it was. Do jump. Yeah. Let's go to. Let's get a nuclear strobe. These ones are fun. Oh. Sorry if you don't like those, we'll just mute it. But you gotta hear it though. It sounds so weird. Just hear it. Or watch it as well, so here it goes some time. There it is. That is a nuclear strobe. That is an actual firework. That's not good. Go, my child. Okay. It doesn't work with all of them. Well, I'm trying to find that rocket with the weird sound. The thing. I don't know how to explain it. That works. Howling strobe. I think it's this howling strobe. Sounds right. Yeah, kind of. Just no, that's not it. Pure white strobe. It's not good. That's the one. That sound. The one I was looking for. Okay. Pretty sure it's not supposed to do that, but oh well. Ooh, nice. Doesn't work with those, but I can't wait. Yay. Ooh, like, that was cool. Wait, can I? Actually, I can. 1 second. Oh my gosh, it works. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh. It's not coming out of the tube. Oh. Willie. I've done this one before. I know what's gonna happen. Come on. Hello? Should I get close up to it, or... I don't trust it. Here it goes. Stop rolling. Don't know why Lisa's behind. Okay, more fireworks. Yay. That is very bright. Okay, that is actually pretty cool when it's out in your face. Don't ask me why, what I'm saying. Uranus. What does this one do? I don't have to put into the thing unless it's a ball, so neat. Uranus. Ugh. It's supposed to be Uranus. Okay. Cakes. Explosions. Yeah. Tiny nuke. Wait a minute. Probably a bad idea because it probably work, but I hope this works. Pull up in the air. Just this once, okay? But I'm gonna do this. No, I'm just gonna take down. I don't want to blow stuff up. I wanted to do it in the city. I almost gave it away, so yeah. Oh, I never noticed there's a subway. Oh, are you finding something here? Are you lost? Yep, I'm lost, I guess. This gives me an idea. The nuke gives me 5 seconds to run, so... Come on, go! Go, 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 go! Oh my... Oh no... I can't see what's going on. Everything's lagging. Oh no... Oh, things are clearing up. Oh, that's not good. Everything settled? Okay. Everything good? Oh. Can't see what I'm doing. Go. That's messed up. What happened to everything underground? Oh, you good? There's nothing fell to the ground except for, well, all of this. Huh. I know you're probably thinking you should do I know you're thinking do 1,000 nukes at once, which yes, I will. I'll just do it in a far distance, really. Let me restart the map. Come on. At least push the pause button. I always push it. Come on, let me push it. There we go. To die. I try to go as far as I can, so yeah. I placed down 2 nukes, so don't worry. I only see one. Oh, I destroyed the whole city. Fall over. Well, I hope you had a fun time today playing around with nukes. This is all today as everything settled down. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video whenever I post it. Anyways, goodbye. I need to